Introducing the 2024 Cupra Tavascan Endurance, a powerhouse electric SUV with 286 horsepower and a stylish yellow exterior. This vehicle is packed with comfort and safety features, from air conditioning to multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. It also offers high-tech amenities like Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, and a wireless charging system. Not to mention, the security features such as centralised locking and lane departure warning will give you peace of mind on the road. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. If you're looking for a reliable and luxurious SUV, look no further than the 2024 Cupra Tavascan Endurance. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.